In this video, I will show you how to turn on the autosave feature in Excel. To get started with enabling autosave, first open Microsoft Excel. At the top left corner of the window, locate and click on File. Next, look for options located at the bottom left of this menu. Click on it. In this new window, you'll see multiple categories listed on the left side. Click on Save. This section contains all the settings related to saving your documents. Now it's time to enable Auto Recover. Look for an option labeled Save Auto Recover Information Every. Ensure there's a checkmark next to it. The default setting is 10 minutes, however, you can customize this according to your preference. For instance, if you want more frequent saves, say every minute, you can change this value by simply typing 1 in the box provided. With this adjustment, your document will be saved automatically every minute. After making these adjustments, don't forget to click OK at the bottom right corner of the Options window. This confirms your changes and enables Auto Recover based on your selected interval. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.